up on this bathroom, I know this is a very old bathroom, and I noticed that the floor was also very old, and I decided to retile the floor and put some flooring in. So I'm going to show you what the floor looks like right now. The floor itself is very old. This is what it looks like now. I'm going to put some tiling on the floor instead. I'm going to get it ready to grout as well. And when I get done with it, you'll see that it's appreciated to, get it to match the wall. I like the marbleized look and the fact that I painted this whole bathroom pretty much white. So once I get done with this, then I'll be able to show you what the complete job looks like, because after I finish cutting in the tiling, I have to also seal it and caulk it. And then after I do that, I'll be able to show you what I've done in completing this floor out. So there's a couple pieces I have been able to do. I also was able to cut around the toilet so far, which is big job, but I probably have to redo a piece. You know how us girls do. And after I am done, I will show you the completed job, and you'll get to see a new bathroom. I'll put it together. Here's some things that you would more than likely need in order to do the tiling. You'll need these items to measure where you're going to fill in space. You'll need the tape measurer, a marker. You'll need a good blade, knife, an X-Acto knife, a pair of gloves, of course, because you're handling something sharp, and things that you can use to snap it apart. So you'll be able to score it, snap it apart with the needle nose pliers if you have to, and a straight edge that you can cut against. So those are some of the items that you would need besides the tile, the laminate tiling. Okay, so I have managed to go ahead and caulk everything. All the flooring is caulked all the way around. I just have to clean it up and wipe up some of the excess. After I do all the excess all around, then I have a clear coat that I'm going to use after I clean the floor some more. So with the caulking that I have done all in the corners, and there we are. Yep, I probably have to use a little Brillo on some of the base tile right there, and clean it up a little bit and get it spick and span and get it show ready. Then I'll flush it up and give everybody a show. Okay, well, now that the flooring has been completed, it's time to actually put on a clear coat. If I had said the word grout before, I really meant caulking, because I'm not using real tiling. When you use the real tiling is when you have to actually grout it. So I didn't mean the word grout, I meant caulking. And then when you grout or when you caulk, it's a good idea to seal it as well. So I'm going to show you the sealant that I'm going to be using, which is for the flooring here. It's something durable that can be mopped. It can get wet, and it's all surfaces clear, and you can spray it indoor or outdoor, and it's fast drying. So it's good to get all the flooring done with that. Hopefully you can see behind the toilet, I managed to caulk all areas. It's always a good idea to get back there, especially because it's water prone, and seal everything up, even the very corners of the shower. Once I've sprayed the top coat down, because I've removed all the excess and wiped everything away, you can see even anything that had any spacing here was filled with the caulking. So any spacing at all. The whole floor's been wiped clean, and I guess that I'm ready now to proceed with spraying the top coat a clear top coat to seal everything up. And then I can go about cleaning the bathroom and staging it. Okay, there's a nice little gleam on the floor, but the whole floor is covered, so it looks good. Okay, after a good cleaning, I'll go ahead and put things in.